How to change your birth date on REDnote app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open REDnote application in your mobile device. Now once you open the REDnote app, you want to go ahead and log into your REDnote account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. Now once you're in your profile section, you want to go ahead and simply tap on edit profile right over here. And then inside the edit profile section, you'll find birth date. Go ahead and tap onto it and then simply choose your birth date from here. Now once you have choose your birth date, simply tap on save and then tap on confirm. Well, that is how you can easily change your birth date on a REDnote app. That ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.